Okay, we're clear. Recant. In an earlier statement in WWX, as I was giving a post, I cited some things that weren't true, that didn't exist. And I ended it with an example of there's no such thing as moonlight. That's the sun bouncing off the moon. And everybody said, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. I know that. That's a trap. That's wrong. The moon and the sun are two separate lights. The sun is not made of fire, and the moon puts out its own light, a whole different type of light than the light that's coming from the sun. That's why plants don't grow at night. It's a different kind of light that does something completely different we're not going to get into right now. A special light. In case you're wondering how things are done. Oh, now we're not clear anymore. We're back to the classification. We're back to the double L classification. Um, wow. Might have to edit this. So if you believe that the sun light bounces off the moon and that the sun is 30,000 miles away, made of a big ball of fire, in which we can't get close to even get a sample of, um, you're insane, which means you're out of touch with what is. What is you're in a snow dome type thing with a dome over it made of silica. It has a crack in it. And where the crack in the scratches is, you're told that's the Milky Way. You know you can't go out, and there's no space out there. There's some liquid type water. Maybe not the same water as we have, but water's just the same. Now, the sun and the moon are two lights set up there, and all the stars are something similar, like holographic projectors. Like we could be on the 13th floor, and this is all a projection. If you ever look at a star yourself in a telescope, you will see that you're not looking at a planet far off somewhere. You'll see it looks nothing like what they show you on TV. You'll notice that all the pictures that you've been shown of the world in all movies or anywhere, you can go to NASA site, they're all fake. And you can go on YouTube and see how they've been faked. They use the same clouds, but they show you a week of rotation, a month of rotation of this planet, and the clouds never change. Where does that happen at? The exact same clouds 30 days later? No, 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 no. And there's too many mistakes in it. They've never gotten outside to take a picture of this world. All the all the all space information is fake. Space photos, space information, space shuttles, space missions, space pictures, it's all bull because Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea was more on point than Star Trek. When you get down to actual, you mix the two together, you got our visitors. But that's another story. No debate, no contending. Shut up and learn. Why? I hope you can handle this. The answer to that question. No one in this world, not one single person, nowhere on the face of the planet knows. There's not one person on this planet that knows anything for sure. That you can't find one person that knows one thing for absolute sure. You can't find one person that knows one thing for absolute sure. Not that there's God, not that they're not in the Matrix, not that the sky is real. They don't know anything for sure. They only know what someone told them, what they figure, what they feel. And they don't even know there's no such thing as feeling, that those are thoughts in their head. They think their heart's doing something different than their brain. Their heart's thinking for them. You know, they're insane. But no one, 7 billion people, not one of them knows anything for sure. Not a single fact. Nothing. Exactly what year it is, how long we've been here, what is this made of, who put us here, why. They know nothing for absolutely sure. Nothing. Who they are. They know nothing. Here's a source of answers. Try to find another one. That's why.